Crypto astronauts, welcome back to another video of the blockchain breakdown. Today we are going to be talking about altcoins, how much they've been pumping. Will this pump continue to happen? The percentage of Bitcoin holders that are in profit, 80% of Bitcoin holders are in profit. We'll break that down today. Sam Bankman-Fried's trial, it's not going any better than it was yesterday. We'll take a brief look at that and see where that stands. Bitcoin's weekly price pumping like never before. If you guys were waiting for a 10K Bitcoin or you're waiting for another 15K Bitcoin, you would have missed out on at least over 100% pump just to get back to these pre-FTX crash levels. So we'll look at that. Solana is pumping like never before. Will this continue to pump? We'll take a look at some quick metrics to see if we're due for a cool off or if we're going to continue pumping. And then lastly, we will ask you to follow the channel. So thank you guys for being here. Welcome back. If we look at today's crypto bubbles for the weekly chart, we can see that Pepe has been on an absolute tear. Rune is also jumping. Gala is jumping. And some of you guys might be looking at this and saying, well, dude, how do I know when to buy altcoins? What do I know that I'm looking for? Where do I go? Or how do I know if I'm doing the right thing? Do you just watch some guy on YouTube and then decide what you want to do? Or do you actually look at some metrics and go digging and kind of figure out what it is that you're looking for? Today, I'm going to show you really quick. If you guys go to CoinGecko, and this is really simple, but if you guys go to coingecko.com, this is where you can see all the cryptocurrencies. It's going to show you the amount of coins, the amount of exchanges, the total market cap related to crypto, 24-hour volume, dominance. What does dominance mean when it's relating to Bitcoin? That means how much of the total percentage of supply in crypto is invested into Bitcoin. Today, we are sitting at 55.74 billion. For 24-hour volume, and then the dominance is sitting at just over 51%, with Ethereum coming in at 16.4%. So if you add those two together, they pretty much make up most of the market cap, and then the rest of the cryptocurrencies would be after or followed after that. So if we go back into CoinGecko, we can actually filter it here by 7 days and see that Thorchain, Gala, Pepe, Axie Infinity, BitTorrent, and Solana coming in at some of your top percentage gainers over the course of this last 7 days. Now, I've covered this in another video, but I'll go over it super quick. If you guys go over to moralesmoney.com, this is going to be a website that lets you filter altcoins by buy pressure, experienced buyers, market cap, and you can also add a couple of other filters. If you guys haven't seen this, make sure to check it out. I will go ahead and come out with a video about this, kind of explaining a little bit more about how this works and how you guys can take advantage of this. But let's keep it moving into Bitcoin's weekly price chart. We can see here just over the last 2 weeks, if we mark this down, we've had a 28% pump. So would it be out of the ordinary to take a little chill pill and kind of relax for the next couple of weeks, or at least until this FOMC meeting happens? I believe it's tomorrow. If not today, maybe they're already meeting, but Jerome Powell will be speaking. So I'm pretty sure until then we'll have some pretty low volatility. Looking at this BBWP, which is a volatility tracker, we can see that volatility is now coming down. What does it mean when volatility is low? Volatility is a direction neutral when the market is low. These blue lines are represented by low volatility. Once you see low volatility, that means you are due for a move. Now, the move can be direction neutral, meaning it can go up or down, but that's where you would use something like your money flow, your RSI, and other metrics to kind of give you a gauge about what you're looking at. Also, you want to keep in mind the time frame that you're on, because if you're on a higher time frame, it's more likely that it's going to happen. However, it won't happen as fast as you like. If you're on a 15-minute time frame, sure, you might see a little bit of an explosive move, but that is the BBWP, and that is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. Moving into Solana, we can see this thing has probably pumped just as much, if not more, 64% outshining Bitcoin, with the money flow still coming up. The VWAP is still up, so I would expect a little bit of a cool off, but we do see that these volume waves are slightly coming back up, so maybe one more drop to the downside before a big move and volatility coming back down. Solana's doing pretty good. Sam Bankman-Fried is invested in that coin, so it makes you wonder, or it makes anyone wonder, is it pumping just so they can get liquidity out of this thing and kind of help out with that trial? Who knows? But you can always trade it, you can always buy it and make some money on the way up if you are into this market and if you are paying attention on a daily basis. With that being said, that is the reason why I would like for you to subscribe to the channel, Blockchain Breakdown. We have crypto videos coming out 3 times a week. We'll be going over metrics, news, and tips and tricks for you guys to take advantage of in this next crypto market bull run. Thank you guys for joining today's video. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe, and then I will see you guys next time. Crypto Astronaut out.